In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Varnish in Cloudways. If you've ever updated your website and noticed that the old version still keeps showing up, even after refreshing the page, there's a good chance Varnish cache is the reason. Cloudways uses Varnish as a reverse proxy caching layer to help websites load faster. But sometimes that cache holds onto old content longer than expected. When a simple cache clear doesn't fully solve the issue, restarting the Varnish service can help reset things properly. To begin, open your browser and go to the Cloudways platform login page. Sign into your account, then head to the top navigation area and click on Servers. This is where you'll find the list of servers connected to your applications. Choose the server that hosts the website you want to work on and open it to access the server management area. Once you're inside the server details page, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This section contains the main management options for that server. Find and click Manage Services. When this page opens, you'll see a list of important services running on the server, such as Nginx, Apache, database services, and of course, Varnish. This is essentially the control panel for your server's background services. Now scroll through the list until you find Varnish. On the same row, you'll usually see options like Purge and Restart. It's helpful to know the difference here. Purge removes the current cached content, but keeps the service running, while Restart refreshes the entire Varnish service itself. If your cache seems stuck or your recent changes still aren't appearing correctly, click Restart. Cloudways will then stop the service briefly and start it again with a clean state. This usually takes less than half a minute, so just give it a moment to finish. After the restart completes, check that the Varnish status indicator shows as active again. While you're on this page, you may also notice a Varnish toggle. This can be useful if you're making major design edits or running longer development sessions. In those situations, temporarily disabling Varnish can prevent caching from getting in the way. Just remember to turn it back on when you're done so your site keeps its performance benefits. As a final check, open a private or incognito browser window and visit your live website. This helps you confirm that the newest version of the site is being served without interference from your local browser cache. Review the pages you updated and make sure everything looks correct, and that's it. You've successfully restarted Varnish in Cloud.